Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, what time is it now? Yes! And yes, this is the DW World Equity Time. And from now onwards, every Monday morning, 9 a.m., 10 minutes is all the time you need to spend with us. And we call this the OTOP series. And OTOP stands for One Target, One Purpose. From now on, every Monday morning, we are going to share with you one very important instrument. And that could be an FX market, it could be a commodity market, it could be a stock, and it could be an ETF that comes from any exchanges around the world. And what you're going to do is, number one, like us. Number two, share with your friends and the loved one. And most importantly, subscribe to us. All right. And from there, every Monday, just log on to us, watch us, and catch us, and build your way to the happiness. OTOP is right here waiting for you. Stay tuned, and I will be right back. Hello, hi there, and this is the OTOP 18 once again coming back to you. Sub fun. OTOP 18 for the week, 7th of December year 2020. And very quickly, we are coming to the last month of the year 2020, and what are we going to expect? Well, this month we are expecting the FOMC meeting, which is going to come on the 15th and 16th of December. And naturally, we are probably expecting the policymakers to quibble and start to announce the role of a new stimulus in the US economy. And effectively speaking, this is going to be putting the dollar on some weakening side, but inversely speaking, it's going to push up the US stock market. All right, so another reason we are looking at the fundamentals is the US Dow Jones especially, all right, has been closing at a historical high again on last Friday, and that was 4th of December at a price, as you can see here, all right, at 30,218, and most likely on the final month of the year, as well as on a historical high. We strongly believe that the US investor and traders is going to let this final month celebrate before Christmas at all-time high. So with these two very important reasons, all right, stimulus as well as the fundamentals of Dow Jones going to all-time high, we foresee that Dow Jones will continue to move up, unless if you don't believe me. But of course, most importantly, one reason is also due to the window dressing, and we think Dow Jones should be going up. Okay, let's take a look at this Dow Jones Day Chart. If we look at this, all right, on Friday, 4th of December, it closed at 30,218. So by looking at this chart, do you believe that Dow Jones will continue to celebrate and go higher? Well, it has broken up. We will take a close look. So if you believe as what we are seeing here, that's what OTOP is going to do, and we're going to bring you a very important counter, which is going to come on board in the next few seconds on what you are going to pick for this week, 7th December year 2020. Well, first of all, the logic is here. If we agree and foresee that Dow Jones will become stronger and continue to rise this week, most importantly, we are going to search on the component stocks, which are the potential counter which likely will rise for the week 7th December year 2020. And here we are. Microsoft. Okay. Well, I think perhaps you know Microsoft more than me, and we are not here and we are not going to explain to you what is Microsoft Corporation, who is Bill Gates, and what they do and what they sell and why you should invest in this. We are not going to do all this. I just want to show you very quickly on the day chart and changing on time scale why we feel that Dow Jones is going to move up, and Microsoft is going to be one of the potential stocks in going up this week, which is 7th December year 2020. Well, if we look at this day chart itself, okay, for the last many days on the day chart, we have seen the Microsoft stock prices squeezing and converging, all right, and the momentum is near to zero. Well, technically speaking, this indicates that it could go up or it could come down. It's a double way. So at the end of the day, it depends a lot on where Dow Jones is going on a big trend, all right. And from the day chart, let's take a look at the 4-hour chart time scale, and this is it. So what do you think? Okay, the whole market prices have been trading above the 4 EMA 200 averaging line. This is the EMA 200, and this is a 4-hour chart. All right, there again, if you look at the momentum, it is near to zero, and well, we truly think there's a very high chance of seeing Microsoft gaining and escalating in this month, because on the day chart and the 4-hour chart, both have actually been converging and showing the same sign of moving in a great way soon. Okay, perhaps we can take a look at the week chart and see if we can find any more clue. Okay, based on a week chart, if we look at this, okay, it's a very simple chart with a double top here at the top, which that's about $230 per share. And so if this final month of year 2020, that is December, okay, if Dow Jones is going to go up and Microsoft is going to go up, well, we do not foresee that it's going to break up above and go very much higher. But at least we are looking at a positive white candle closing before the end of this month, and most likely it's going to be anywhere like $230. So effectively speaking, just for this 1 month, you may be having a potential profit of about, well, 10 to 15 or maybe $20 in Microsoft. All right. And last but not least, we have to put a gentle reminder to all the viewers here. On every last month of the year, that is December, all right, market activities will start to slow down and become very quiet, especially after the 20th of December. And that effectively means the last 10 days of December is the holiday season, and all the market, regardless you're talking about gold, crude oil, major stock indexes, or everything will be very quiet. Everybody will start to go for holiday celebration, and that's why if anything were to happen, and yes, it's going to be the first 20 days of December, right? So Monday is the 7th. Effectively, we are just looking at maybe another 2 weeks to go. So there is a lot of potential in Microsoft, and if you like it, pay some attention and observe this counter. This is the OTOP 18th episode for the date 7 December year 2020, and don't forget I said subfat, okay? We want to thank all of you for staying with us, and please like us, subscribe to us, and continue to share this OTOP video with all the people around you. Until next week, I shall see you again. Bye bye.